Hey guys, what's up? RJ here. So today in this video we are going to be talking about George's super funnel. How George made $42,050.83 in 10 days and how you can copy him right now. So this George's super funnel is like super hot right now because it's, as you can say, that it's the second version of the SAM funnel which went viral, but it's a more compliant funnel if you see. Okay, so people are making like a lot of money with this funnel, and it's like generating huge results for other clients and other peoples as well alongside George. So in this video we are going to be talking about how he made 42,050.83 cents in 10 days and how you can copy him right now. So I've like just opted into the funnel to see. Very beautiful funnel on the next page after the opt-in, because the opt-in was totally simple. And yes, you are the hero of the journey. A funnel looks good, and if let's see if we go further. When we go further, let's see what we got in here. So there are products in this funnel other than promoting ClickFunnels, because this funnel do promote ClickFunnels, but other than promoting ClickFunnels, Georges have his own product in this funnel which you can promote as well. But there are like few things that you need to follow in order to get get the exact same amount of commission to yourself as well. So there are few things that you need to understand about it. Okay, so we are into the funnel, and as you can see that it's going to be the next step. So in this step there is a video right here that is not loading for me right now. I don't know why, but on that part of the video, look, I have got some errors. In that part of the videos, you must be teaching how to use this funnel for further for yourself. And once it's done, as you can see that there is an option for start your ClickFunnels account. So in this ClickFunnels account, you will put your affiliate link, you will get your credit of the sale, and you will get yourself the commission. So as further we go, once anyone signed up for ClickFunnels, they further go for the next step. I finished this step. Go for the next step. So this is the third step. So after creating your ClickFunnels account, the next step is that to get this exact same funnel into your ClickFunnels account, so then later on you will start promoting it. Okay, so on the third step there is a video on it. It played like, I don't know why it's totally unresponsive like right now, irresponsive. So the video, if we play the video, it will be here. The video is available. So the next step is import this funnel into your own ClickFunnels account. So once you click on it, you will get the exact same funnel that this is into your ClickFunnels account. So once you are finished with this step, you will go further to the next step. It will going to be the last step in this funnel. So what happened, this funnel will have three products, almost three products. It will be like more further if you see, but right now it have only three products. The first product is an email sequence, like a killer email sequences, cost only $7 of a single payment. Okay, so it costs $7, and you need to buy this product because during this funnel there are three products in it, as far as I know. If someone knows much better, let me know in the comment section down below. There are three products. The first product costs $7 for the killer email sequences. The second product is a done for you, so that if you don't know how to set up this funnel by your own, you will pay $47 and George's team will set up the funnel for you. So another product is $47, And the next product is $97. What happened with the $97? You will get the affiliate rights of the exact same products, so that you will be able to promote it, because you will be able to promote using this funnel for ClickFunnels, but you will not get the access or not get the commissions for those products that are in the upsells and the downsells of this funnel. So 3 products, email sequences done for your service, and the affiliate rights of those funnels. So if you want to like promote this funnel and get yourself the commission out of those upsells and downsells as well, then you simply need to pay $97 a month. After $7 sequences, you'll need to pay $97 to get the affiliate rights, so that you will start promoting it and start generating online income for you. So overall, it's a beautiful funnel. As you can see that one of the testimonials around here, because you will get paid by Kickstart. So overall, a good funnel, a very good funnel, more compliant, huge commissions, and people are making like a lot of money in there using solo ads and any other traffic that they know better. So that's it from my side for today for this funnel. And if you want this funnel, the link is in the description below. You can simply go it and grab it and like crush it. So that's it from my side. See you soon in the next video. Until then, peace out.